How to change Facebook password in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to change your password, simply go ahead and open the passwords application on your device and you will be required to enter your Face ID or passcode in order to unlock the app. Passcodes or passwords is the app introduced by Apple in order to save your all passwords in the passwords application. So if you have saved your Facebook password, then you can simply change it from the passwords application itself. So once you have unlocked the password application, tap on the search bar you see there and then search for Facebook and open the account where you want to change your password, and you will see the option for change password there at the bottom. So tap on the change password option and you will be led to your Facebook account. So go ahead and wait for the page to load, and once loaded, you will be required to fill in the password and your mobile number, that is your login credentials. So enter your login credentials and then tap on the login option you see there. And once you are logged into your Facebook account, you can then go ahead and tap on the Go to Account Center option you see there. And once you are in your account center, you can then go ahead and enter your current password for your Facebook account and then enter your new password and then retype your new password. And finally, tap on the change password option you see there. And with this, your password will be changed. So this was about how you can change Facebook password on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.